Good morning, students. Welcome to you in e-learning classes of Standard 7 is organized by Modern English School, Nevada. I myself, Repti Raman, mathematics teacher of Modern English School, New Area, Nevada. Students, today I shall solve exercise 20F. In this exercise, I shall solve find area of circle. Question number 3 is written here. The circumference of a circle is 264 cm. So given is C equal to 264 cm. Now find its area. So first of all find radius. Radius R equal to C by 2 pi equal to 264 cm divided by 2 into the value of pi is 22 by 7. So 22, 7 is multiplied by 264. Now divide it 2 times 1 2 ja 2, 1 3 ja 2 3 ja 6, 2 1 ja 2, 2 3 ja 6 and 2 2 ja 4. 22 6 ja 132. Now 6 7 ja 42. 42 cm is the radius of the circle. Now find area equal to pi r square equal to 22 by 7 into radius is 42 cm. So 42 into 42. 7 6 ja 42. 22 6 are 132. So multiply 132 by 42. Multiply it. 2 2 ja 4. 3 2 ja 6. 1 2 ja 2. 2 4 ja 8. 3 4 ja 12 of 2 carry 1. 1 4 ja 1. Sorry. 1 4 ja 4 plus 1 5. Add it 4. 6 plus 8, 14 of 4 carry 1, 2 plus 2, 4 plus 1, 5, 5,544 equal to 5,544 cm square. Answer of this question. Students, understand and write it. Students, next question is question number 7 of exercise 20F. In this question, the ratio of the radii of two circles is 4:5. The ratio of the radii of two circles is 4:5. Find the ratio of their area. So let R1 is the radius of first circle. So let R1 equal to 4x and R2 equal to 5x. The ratio of the radii of two circles is 4:5. So let R1 equal to 4x and R2 equal to 5x. R1 and R2 are the radii of both circles. So now find, therefore, area of first circle is A1 and area of second circle is A2. So A1 by A2 equal to pi R1 square by pi R2 square. Pi to pi cancel equal to R1 square by R2 square. So R1 is 4x square by 5x square equal to 4x square means 16x square by 25x square. x square to x square is cancelled, equal to 16 by 25. That means 16 is to 25 answer of this question. Students, understand and write it. Students, next question is question number 10 on this board of exercise 20F. In this question, a wire is in a circular shape of radius 28 cm. If it is bent in the form of a square, what will be the area of the square formed? A wire is in the circular form. Radius of the circular form is 28 cm. It is bent in the form of a square. Find the area of a square. So perimeter of circular shape is equal to the circumference of circular shape is equal to the perimeter of a square shape. R equal to 28 cm. P of a square, that is perimeter of a square. Perimeter of a square shape equal to circumference. Circumference. That implies P equal to 2 pi r equal to 2 into the value of pi is 22 by 7 into r equal to 28. So 7 for the 28 equal to circumference is 24 for the 88. 88 to the 8 to the 16 of 6 carry 1. 8 to the 16 117. 176 cm. The perimeter of a square is 176 cm. So side equal to P by 4, perimeter by 4. That means 176 by 4. 4 for the 16. 1 6 16. 4 for the 16. That means 44 cm. Side is 44 cm. So area of the square field. Area of a square shape. Area of a square shape equal to side into side. (44 cm) into 44 cm equal to multiply 44 into 44. 4 for the 16 of 6 carry 1. 4 for the 16 plus 1 17. Now 6 7 1. 6 7 plus 6 3. 7 plus 1 8 plus 1 9. 19. That means 1936 cm square. Answer of this question. Students, understand and write it. Students, next question It's question number 14. It is last question also today. In this question, a horse is tethered to one corner of a rectangular field is 60 meter by 40 meter by a rope 14 meter long. On how much area can the horse graze? This area horse is graze. So find the area of this part. It is a quadrant. It is a quadrant of circle. So given radius equal to r 14 meter, area of a quadrant, equal to 1 by 4 into pi r square, equal to 1 by 4 into the value of pi is 22 by 7 into r square 14 meter into 14 meter. So 7 to the 14 and 2 to the 4. Again 7 to the 14 equal to 22 7 ja 154 meter square. Answer of this question. Students, today your homework is solve exercise 20F. Thank you. That's all.